Once after you save changes, you can see this let's go button. So what you should do now, click on let's go button. In case if you can't see let's go button, so then you have made some mistake. Now you can't see let's go. Why? Because you did not give the proper input. So you did not click on save changes. So even save changes will not be enabled unless you give all the fields. So what are the required fields? This number of questions is the required field, number of digits, number of rows. These three are required fields. All these other options are optional. If you are interested, you can give, otherwise you can ignore. So now I'll show you an example. Now set number of questions are 1. So now save changes are enabled. If I don't enter anything, you can't save changes. That's why you should enter 1 here and then click on save changes. Now you can see let's go is enabled. What is this let's go? When you click on that button, the numbers will start flashing and the stopwatch will also start. So I'm clicking let's go. 61 minus 11, 51. Answer is 101. When you see this question mark, it means that the question is complete and you need to enter the answer. So enter the answer here, type your answer. What was the answer? 101. Now in case if you forgot any number to add, or in case if you have missed any number, what you can do is there is one option called as replay. The same question will be replayed. So click on replay. 61 minus 11, 51. 101 is the answer. 101 is the answer. So this was first question. If you want to go to the next question, you can click enter if you are on desktop or laptop to go to the next question, or else you can click on this next. We have selected only one question to solve. Since we are done with one question, you can't enter more answers here. Why? Because we have selected only one question. In case if you want to enter more questions, that is not possible. Why? Because in settings we have selected only one question. That's why you are not allowed to enter the second answer. Now after everything is done, after you have done solving the question, you can see results button is enabled now. So click on this, you can see the results. In results there are many things you can see.